What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining me for today's video. That's probably like the fourth or fifth time I have said that today because I can't get it right. But today, as you can see, I have pulled the grill off as well as removed the scoop from the hood there. I've also went ahead and removed the trim piece that usually sits around on the grill, and also taped off and marked where I want to cut, or at least make the first cut on the splitter. Actually, let's go outside and go ahead and check out what I've got sanded already. Now that's where the emblem sits. I went ahead and sanded everything down. Removed all the old paint and imperfections from it. So yeah, like I said, I'm gonna go ahead, hit that with another wipe of alcohol. There's another bike. Two more bikes. I'm gonna go ahead and hit that with another wipe down of alcohol. Make sure there's nothing as far as debris goes on it and contaminants. And then go ahead and start spraying that. Alright, well, they've been sanded, primed, and painted. Not my best work, but it'll do. I'm getting ready to clear it, maybe 2 or 3 coats of it, stick in the shop and let it cure, probably for a day or so, just to make sure I don't get any fingerprints in it, because I am notorious for doing that. All right, you guys, new day, and one task only. Get the splitter cut, install it back on the car, and hopefully it's a first time go. First, I'm gonna take and set up a little makeshift table right over in that general vicinity. Probably gonna use the old radiator out of that thing. Yep, let's get to cutting. All right, it's all set up. Got my ear pro, got my mask. For you shaving metal, you have to have a mask. And whatever other protective stuff you gotta have, but for sure a mask. Tripod set up, bam. Everything set up with the vise, handy table, transformer. Let's do it. Now for a little bit of cleanup work and for the first install. All right, it looks pretty good. I think maybe I need to shave down with the filer or something, just a little bit more on the back. But with the rubber seal that goes on the inside of it, when the hood shuts and everything, it's going to be a really nice tight fit. So pretty much a first time go. I'll take it. A little bit more cleanup work, and then I'll show you guys the finished product. Alright, you guys, this is basically the final product. I've gotten everything sanded, got all the edges cleaned up, so I can put the little notches in it so that the seal will sit on properly. Yeah, pretty happy with the way it turned out. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that's going to wrap up today's video. Hope you've enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. Greatly appreciated. Tag that subscribe button while you're down there, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Laters. Woo!